How you doing?
Buddy Hield, sidestep, three-pointer, got it.
Good job, Buddy Hield.
Throw it to the left side of the rim because Bam's man is going to pull over.
Jimmy diving down, gets to Bam wide open for three. And a bio trip.
I said we're getting great looks at the three. Keep letting it fly.
Irving, big-time jumper from Kyrie Irving.
Bodies, 12, bodies. Touch him, 12, touch him now. Touch him now, 12, touch him now. Good.
Westbrook goes right at Maxey, blocked by Maxey, and the save.
Come back. Come here.
Oh! It's hard to, like, you know what I'm saying? When you one-on-one transition, you go right past it.
Maxey has it. Maxey on the drive, goes inside, flips it up, and it's good.
Hey, great effort. Great effort defensively, right? They missed. Let's keep running, all right?
Irving getting by the defense and throwing it down.
Hey! Hey, what? Take off. You might need. Look at me. Strong side corner. Tobias, over here. Kelly, Dunker on this side. Nico! Corner. Get ready.
Maxey to Batum, up top to Hield. Hield puts up a three. Bang! Buddy Hield from